All right, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Park Junkie. Todd's here today in Yellowstone National Park. It is June 14th, the day after the park was closed. You'll find me here at Lake Hotel, checking out the scene. It is vacant. No one in the park other than employees, and we have a little bit of snowfall this morning here. Not much accumulation, temperatures hovering right around the freezing mark, so it is rather chilly up here. The lake here at Yellowstone, Yellowstone Lake, 7,800 feet in elevation, so we're getting up there in altitude, but the snow not sticking here as of yet. If temperatures drop a little bit, we'll see some accumulation here at Lake, but at this time, not a lot of accumulation. Higher country, where that snow was already present, up above, like say 10,000 feet up in that range, there's probably a little more accumulation up there. And what worries some park officials is that over the coming days, we expect temperatures to rise into the 70 range, maybe 75 degrees, maybe even 80 degrees, and that's going to cause some rapid snowmelt, which will put even more pressure on the park's waterways. Systems in the park, such as septic and water treatment systems, park officials fear that those may be overwhelmed. We've got power outages here at Lake Village right now. No power to the hotel, no power to the Lake Lodge. All guests have been evacuated already, so no guests remain on scene. Only employees such as myself are here. Park service staff, park rangers, and employees for the concessionaires remain inside the park. We are basically just huddling down. Generators are operating the buildings. There are a couple of generators that are down right now, such as over at the Fishing Bridge Village and in the RV park where I live. No generator power at this moment, but maintenance crews are working on that as we speak, and hopefully they have that running by around midday today. All right, here inside Yellowstone National Park at the Fishing Bridge service station, closed. No power to the fuel pumps here. Pulled in to try to top off the tank here just in case I need to get out of the park with the travel trailer, but there's no power. The pumps are down. Store is closed. Nobody in sight other than a few other people looking for fuel. I'm going to take a shot and go down to Grant Village down at the south end of the lake to try to fuel up my truck. I've got a little less than half a tank of fuel left, and with my RV here on scene, I don't want to have to tow it out of here and not have enough gas to make it out of the park. So I'm going to take a quick run down to the south end of the lake and try to fuel up my truck. Let's take a trip down to the south end of the lake and see if there's any fuel down there.